I say, what's up, y'all? It's TC time. What's up, y'all? It's TC time. Sit right back and have a good time. I watch this, build this, bam, bam. Hey guys, I'm TC. Thank you for tuning back in to TC time. If you're following the King's Gun series, this is the gun that we're building. This is another version that's going to be in another video later. Anyways, building these guns, I figured out the best way to join any two types of pipe materials together that are threaded. So this is the best pipe sealant that money can buy, and it's done with household items that you probably already have just sitting right around your house. I figured if this came in useful to me, this might come in useful to just about anybody. So anyways, while we're thinking about it, press the like button, hit the subscribe button, and I'm going to show you just exactly how this works. Alright, we're just going to leave that there. Alright, the first item that we have is JB Weld Super Weld. Professional grade. It's basically super glue. Okay? The next item that we have is just cheap Dollar General baking soda. Okay? And the way that you do this is all you got to do is go ahead and start threading your pipe into your fitting, and right before you get it to where you want it, that's about snug right there, back it up just a little bit, apply the JB Weld all around the bottom of your threads. Okay, just like so. Go ahead and screw it in until it's snug or where you want it. Then take your JB Weld again and go around the outside edge of your fitting, your threads. You want to get a nice solid bead right there. Then you just take some baking soda, sprinkle it over the top, pour your excess back in your box because it ain't free. It's almost free, it's pretty cheap. Anyways, by the time you get your lid screwed back on, shake off your excess, blow it off, wait about 2-3 minutes, and it doesn't matter if you're screwing PVC into steel, it doesn't matter if you're screwing brass into PVC, it doesn't matter, any two types of materials that you want to join together. This is the best way to put these things together. Now this gun is a power washer. If you want to see how this thing works, I have a whole playlist on my channel. My channel is TC Time. That's T like in Tom, C like in cat, time, TC Time. What time is it? It's TC Time. It's on my playlist called the King's Gun series. It's amazing. It's the best commercial grade power washer that you can get. It works off an air compressor and a garden hose, so there's no pump, no motor. It's really a really cool thing to follow. I've got a lot of people building this thing right now. So anyways, I wanted to throw it out there. That's how I filled my threads up. I used two household items that I had just sitting around the house, and it works actually better than thread tape. It works better than pipe dope. It works better than joining compound. It works better than anything. The only drawback to this is once you put your threads together, they're going to stay together. So I've literally put two pieces of pipe together, and after bonding them together in this way, put them in the vise and tried to take them back apart, and they broke. So if you're going to do it, make sure that it's something that you want to do. Alright guys, well thanks again for tuning in to TC Time. Press like, subscribe, follow the King's Gun series on my channel TC Time, and we'll see you next time.